In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix VLC media player not playing videos. So I have 3 fixes here for you, and I hope one of them will work for you. So first, open up VLC media player, and then what you want to do is go inside settings, or as they call it inside the VLC program, preferences, okay? You can get them up here by hovering over the tools tab and then clicking preferences down at the bottom. In here, you want to go inside audio, which is the second tab over here, and then under output, you'll be able to see 3 different things. The first one is output module, the second one is HDMI, SPDIF audio pass-through, and the third one is device. What I would recommend you to change is the device, okay? So change it from default to one of these. Just try each and every single one, and then after you try, for example, the first one, press save and see if that works. If it didn't, try the second, third, fourth, however many you may have, and hopefully this will fix your issue. So when you get one to work, simply leave it as that, and that is it. Now, if that didn't work, what we can try is actually rolling back your driver, your graphics driver on your computer. This reportedly worked for some people. The way you do this is by going to down here to search, type in device manager, this one over here, and make sure you are on the administrator user of your PC. So as you can see, it says you're logged in as standard user, so I'll be able to show you how to do it, but I won't be able to change it. But of course, you should go in as an admin, so be on the admin user of your computer to be able to do this. In here, you want to go under display adapters, simply click this arrow to kind of extend this and see the adapters, and then look for your main graphics card on your computer. For me, it's the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3050 laptop GPU. For you, it probably will be different. So right click this and click properties. In here, what you want to do is click driver, and then once you click driver, you will then have an option to roll back driver. Press this, rollback driver, and then press OK, and then restart your computer and see if that fixed the issue. If it didn't fix the issue, what we're gonna do is simply go back inside your device manager. I just closed it down by mistake over here. So go back into it, and then go back to display adapters, again right click, and then under driver, you want to click update driver, and this will update driver to your latest version. And after you do this, if you have NVIDIA, go to Google and download GeForce Experience. And then once you download it, log into it, open it up, and go to drivers up here. And what you want to do is simply check for updates and download the latest studio driver. If you don't have a studio driver, click these 3 dots and then select studio driver in case you're in the game ready driver. I think this works best for programs such as VLC and other creative apps. So click download if you find an update, and this will update to the latest version. If you have AMD graphics card, you can download AMD Software Adrenaline Edition, which is this one over here, and you can yet again log in and update via over here where it says hardware and drivers. If there's an update available, it will scan for it and you'll be able to update with one single click. After that, yet again, restart your computer and see if that fixed the issue. So I hope one of the 3 fixed your issue, and if it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.